If you're seeing a character limit reached message in ElevenLabs, don't worry. In most cases, this is tied to your monthly usage credits and it's very easy to check and fix. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to find your remaining credits, what to do if you've used them all up, and how to keep generating voices without getting stuck. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's get into it. First, log into your ElevenLabs account and look to the top right corner of the dashboard. Click your profile icon, then choose Subscription from the menu. This is where ElevenLabs shows your plan details, your remaining credits, and your monthly usage. Once you're on the subscription page, take a close look at how many credits you have left. If your credits are low or fully used, that explains why you're hitting the character limit. ElevenLabs uses monthly credits to measure how much text you can generate, so when those credits run out, the platform can stop new generations until your usage refreshes. If you've exhausted your monthly credits, the first option is to wait for your next billing cycle. When your plan renews, your credits should refresh automatically and you'll be able to generate again. If you need more characters before then, the next option is to upgrade to a higher plan. Higher plans usually include more monthly credits, which means more room for longer scripts, more voice generations, and fewer interruptions while working. Now, if you're on the creator plan or higher, there's an even better option you should check right away. On the subscription page, look for Pay As You Go, which is ElevenLabs' usage-based billing option. If it's available on your account, you can enable it so that once your included credits are used up, you can continue generating without waiting for the next billing cycle. This is especially useful if you do a lot of voiceovers, content creation, or client work and you can't afford to stop halfway through a project. After turning on Pay As You Go, go back and try your generation again. In many cases, that immediately solves the character limit problem because you're no longer blocked by your included monthly allowance. So to quickly recap, check your subscription page, confirm whether your monthly credits are finished, wait for renewal or upgrade if needed, and if you're eligible, enable Pay As You Go to keep generating after your credits run out. That's the simplest way to fix the character limit reached issue in ElevenLabs. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.